coding is changing forever. You don't need to write every line of code. You just need the right prompt. Welcome to the era of vibe coding, where your ideas become code through AI. But what is vibe coding? Vibe coding is a modern approach to software development where programmers use natural language prompts to tell AI tools what they want, and the AI writes the code. Think of it like this. Instead of typing loops, conditions, and functions, you just describe what you want and AI builds it for you. It's fast, flexible, and intuitive, like talking to your code editor. How does it work? At the core of vibe coding is artificial intelligence. Tools trained on millions of lines of code. When you give a prompt, the AI understands your intent and generates working code. It works using LLM, that is the large language models like GPT, Codex, or Gemini. Code-specific AI assistants like GitHub Copilot, Cursor, Replit, Ghostwriters, etc. Prompt engineering, crafting smart instructions for better output. Now let's understand why coding is a game changer. Why are developers switching to vibe coding? The reason is speed. It builds the code in hours that used to take days. Accessibility. Beginners can create real apps without mastering syntax. Collaboration. Focus more on what to build, less on how to write it. Creativity. Frees mental space for design, logic, and problem solving. Learning by doing. See code evolve from your ideas in real time. So code becomes about creativity and communication. Now let's understand what are the challenges. Vibe code isn't magic. It has limits. First, messy code. AI can generate inefficient or buggy code. Second, lack of structure. You still need to understand logic to debug and improve. Third, we have security issues. Auto-generated code can introduce vulnerabilities. Lastly, over-resilience on AI. Developers risk losing core skills if they never code manually. Is there any solution we have? Well, yes. Use vibe coding as an assistant and not as a replacement. Now let's understand the future of vibe coding. In the near future, we might code the entire apps through voice prompts. Imagine saying, create a travel booking app with payment integration and a chatbot. And boom, your prototype is ready. This is the direction we are heading, where ideas leads to prompts, leads to real software. Now, you must be thinking, should you try vibe coding? Well, if you are a developer, student, or tech enthusiast, now's the perfect time to explore vibe coding. Start using AI to code smarter and not harder. Try tools like GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, or Replit. Prompt your way to your next project. What's the craziest app you would build with just a prompt? Drop it in the comments. If you like the video, do like, share, and subscribe to Aadharshila coding classes and hit the bell icon. See you soon.